Welcome back to our 1905 farmhouse renovation. We have been doing so much on the farm. It is so busy. So let's get into what we've been up to. So the family came out and helped do a lot. We went ahead and built this play structure for the kids, and that was a pain. My little brother went ahead and cleared the yard with a weed whacker, and now it's more manageable. And then I also have been finding tons of free wood out of my local dumpster at our door and cabinet shop. And so we're going to be using this around the farm for all sorts of projects. Right now I'm just collecting it until the projects come, but we'll use that later on. And we got a rooster for our girls. This is King Comb, and the ladies took a little while getting used to him, but he's been protecting our ladies now. He's been really great at keeping them safe, and our ladies are all free range. This is me becoming a vet, I guess. We had Pebbles here get bumblefoot, so I've been treating that with antibiotic and then wrapping it so it doesn't get any more infected than it was. Right now she's doing a lot better, and she recovered nicely with the antibiotic. I was a little worried for a while. She still has a little limp, but she's getting better every day, and so we're just keeping an eye on it. I had no idea what bumblefoot was or how chickens got it until this point. And then we decided to add goats to our farm. We are renting goats, and we decided to get some of our own, so they stayed in this dog kennel for a little bit while we got some pasture set up for them. We had to order some more fencing for them since we are renting goats. They had priority over the fencing. So they are now in pasture eating all the grass they love, and our ladies here have been doing an amazing job. They have uncleared that Volvo completely. Look at this. This whole entire hill is cleared clean of all the blackberry bushes. If you've seen in our previous videos, this was all blackberries. And then we had to get a little boy because we want to breed our little Nigerian dwarfs. And he is a Nigerian dwarf mix. I can't remember what he's mixed with, but he's so cute. His name's Bluey. He has blue eyes. Super sweet. And here we are. This is the upstairs finish. So the floors are in, the baseboards are in. This is my lovely little cell phone signal booster I put in. It's a little messy, but we'll figure that out. This is my son's room. It looks so cute. We got his furniture in, and those baseboards are just beautiful. I love them. It just looks great. Still more to do up here, not too much, but everybody has moved into the rooms. We're still unpacking boxes. I think that's going to take a long time, but the kids are loving their space, and they can get away and enjoy their own spaces. And of course, my daughter's room. We've seen this in previous videos, and she's still loving it. So yeah, that is the upstairs, and we're going to continue working our butts off. And we got water. That's amazing. So we were living without water. We had our water in the RV. We got to get the hot water hooked up, but we're working on it. And sorry, the toilet's a little gross. We have high iron in the water, but we have a flushing toilet, and we are getting the shower working. Still a bit of work to do here. And we also cleared so much brush. We had to do this for home insurance. They wouldn't cover the house unless all the brush was cleared off, and it was so overgrown. This is all blackberry bushes growing over onto the house. And we got the glass doors put in, so the RV's here. We're getting rid of this motorhome and the other RV, and things are just going in a really great upward trajectory. I have to say that God has been blessing us immensely with all of this, and I just don't know how to explain all the blessings that we've had, and I just keep giving the glory to Him. We got this property in a crazy way. I'll make a video on that later, on how we even obtained this property, and everything has just been falling into place and happening so quickly, and I'm so happy you guys have decided to follow us along on this journey. Go ahead and like and follow, and I'll continue making content, and I'll see you in the next one.